View your academic progress from one place using the DegreeWorks card on the MyCoast dashboard. Simply locate the DegreeWorks card on your MyCoast dashboard. To access DegreeWorks, click on Launch DegreeWorks. You will be redirected to your academic worksheets which show your academic progress. You can also use the Audits drop-down menu to view historic audits. There is a what-if analysis option to see how your coursework would be applied to a new program. Edit your program details and click on Process when complete. There is also a Plans option to help you and your advisor work together to plan each semester to ensure success. To create a plan, click on New Plan, then select Template or Blank Plan. Select your starting term and search templates. You can head back to your MyCoast dashboard by going back to the previous browser tab.